Yo, what's up, YouTube? Shop update. 70 Chevelle convertible, lt4. This was going like a base swap, nothing too detailed on this one. We got the 4L85, made it behind this lt4. It's all a GM Performance product. Crate engine, brand new crate engine, obviously from GM with the lt4. Wagner front accessories we got on this. Spear Tech harness. It's gonna run the lt4. Long tubes, those are all Speed Engineering long tubes. So inside the car we got mostly everything wired up. You got a Detroit speed wiper that's wired in. We like to take off the corrugated plastic loom and add some braided loom to it. Just a little nicer touch in that corrugated loom. Inside, got the SS dash installed. We got the vintage air installed. American auto wiring harness is all installed. Coded digital. Those are the RTXs. Nice little touch. Gives a little factory look with the modern twist. Detroit Speed wiper system. It's all terminated. Everything's all plugged in. Brake pedals in, our accelerator pedals in. We have left is the center console shifter, horseshoe shifter, and wiring the rest of that in to the column. Once we get the column in, and then terminating the rest of them to the shifter. And then this part here, all the corrugated stuff, that is actually for his TCM. That's gonna manage the 4L85. So that's pretty much left inside the car. So we have the wires that go back to the fuel pump. That's gonna run that, and the fuel pressure sensor is gonna be bouncing back there as well. So we got the wire around to the back. All the wires in the back are already all done. Pop this up for you guys. So this is all terminated. All the tail lights are all wired in already. Real clean back here. Can't even really tell it's wired back here. So that is the update. We're moving and grooving on this one. Got the flapper. That's going to be installed as well. We got that installed. So we'll hook that, make that functional. Hydrotech is installed. Bearing Sun gearbox, we have that installed. So next is like I said, column in, steering shaft, and then condensers already in, and then we have but that's just a quick update where we're at on this one. We're hoping to finish this one by the end of the month. So we got maybe about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks left. But yeah, stay tuned. Keep you guys updated.